So guys, we left for the field to do the maiden of our aircraft. Everything was working perfectly well, stable and straight. So we got to the field, guys. I tried my best to start the engine. I start and start and start and start. I did everything I could, but didn't start. I brought out all the knowledge I had. I tried my best, but the engine didn't start. So we spent like a few hours there, and then I discovered that the fuel system wasn't supplying fuel through the pipes to the engine, to the carburetor. So yeah, that was what I discovered, that the pipes were not supplying fuel smoothly, or should I say correctly. The whole system was blocked. So I had to dismantle everything, took it back home, and I went to the chemist. I bought syringe. I'm not doing operation, or I'm not fixing drip for somebody. And I also bought vitamin C because I needed vitamin after staying that long in the sun. So guys, I dismantled everything. I reassembled the fuel system. As you can see, everything is looking brand new. And these are the old pipes. As you can see, they are all twisted and blocked. So yeah, I put everything together. Those are the old pipes, and put everything together. Those are the new pipes I've connected.
Wow. Yo, if I give now, no. Yo, so I didn't put you.
That way? That way there? So let me get this straight. You think that we should go that way?
Yep.
Well, then I'm going this way.
Huh?